Hello my Whoop friends. While I'm working on my next bigger videos, I'm giving the tiny Whoop beginners among my YouTube subscribers a little video here on how you can take apart your tiny Whoop. Apart from the propellers, which sometimes sit very tightly, it's really not difficult to disassemble a tiny Whoop. This can be necessary, for example, if the frame has already broken multiple times. A Whoop frame usually lasts quite a long time and can also be repaired, as you can see in one of my other videos. Link to the video is in the video description of this video. But at some point the frame becomes too heavy from all the repairs and has to be replaced. And then you have to take the tiny Whoop apart. What's important is not to lose the screws. It's best to disassemble the tiny Whoop over a large bowl or a baking tray. That way you don't have to search for screws on the floor for hours like ButterflyFPV. Do it better than me. When loosening the screws, I always leave one screw in the respective component until the end. I do this so that the time the components are hanging freely on the wires is kept as short as possible, because this dangling can accelerate wire breaks. As mentioned, sometimes the propellers sit very tightly. With two kitchen knives you can carefully remove the propellers as shown in the video. But there are also other methods. Check out my videos on the topic of removing propellers. Link to the videos is in the video description of this video. I'll now get back to work on the next bigger videos, and I wish you lots of fun browsing my YouTube channel. I've made many tutorials into which I've put a lot of work. Happy flying my Whoop friends!